Today, let's delve deep into what are covalent bonds. To understand better, let's think of it this way. Two atoms, which are nonmetals, for example, it can be sodium and chlorine, they come together and they share one or more pair of electrons. Sodium loses its electron, whereas chlorine gains an electron. So their valence electrons shell becomes stable. This was explained in the energy levels video before. If you have not watched that, I highly recommend you watch that. Please watch all the videos in the playlist so that you're aware of all the concepts before you reach the covalent bonds. When atoms come together, they share one or more pairs of electrons. This sharing allows each atom to attain a stable electronic configuration, often resembling that of the nearest noble gases. Noble gases, they have all their valence electron in the outermost shell complete, and hence they are stable, hence non-reactive as well. So that's why they do not react. Single bond involves one pair of shared electrons, example hydrogen H2. A double bond involves two pairs of shared electrons, example oxygen O2. A triple bond involves three pairs of shared electrons, example nitrogen. Covalent bonds typically form discrete molecules such as water and carbon dioxide. Molecular compounds. Compounds formed by covalent bonding usually have lower melting and boiling points compared to the ionic bonds. They do not conduct electricity in solid, liquid state, often exist as gases or liquids at room temperatures.
Some covalent bonds are polar, meaning there's an uneven distribution of electron density. This occurs when the atoms involved have different electronegativities, leading to a dipole moment. Lewis structures. A common way to represent covalent bonds is through Lewis structures, which show the arrangement of atoms and the electrons that are shared. Thanks for watching. Before we leave, we have a question. Comment below the element symbol for lead. Stay curious until next time. Hit the subscribe button.